Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a PIN for your Destiny credit card. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. If you don't immediately get an option to set up your PIN after you sign up to your Destiny credit card, then you can do this by opening up your web browser and then going to destinycard.com. Now just click on Customer Service and then click on FAQ. From the FAQ section, click on Contacting Us and then expand the first option, which will display the toll-free customer service number. Just go ahead and call this number and then you can ask to set up a PIN for your credit card. And the customer service representative will guide you through the process and set up your PIN for you. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up a PIN for your credit card on Destiny. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.